Hello Sudhin.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
Good.
Thank you for coming today and letting me drive your beautiful Shelby.
My pleasure.
So yeah guys, this is a Mustang Shelby GT500 2014, yeah?
Yeah, 2014.
Yes. So I'm very excited to drive it. It's a beast. God bless. So yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Tell me Sudhin,
Yeah.
when you bought this car, like why didn't you consider like a Challenger or a Charger or like any other muscle car? Like why a Shelby?
Basically, other two are not in an option as well. It was just Mustangs.
Yeah.
So the only two options I had for my budget was either a brand new GT or a Shelby.
Okay.
So I chose power to comfort.
The brakes are good. They're awesome.
Yeah,
They're awesome.
I just changed to Hawks brakes. The clutch is bad. I made a bad choice with that. I was planning to go for McLeod clutch, the performance one.
Okay.
But
they're a bit like more expensive. Or?
They are a bit more expensive.
Yeah.
Then I took the XCD.
And other than that, are you like planning to do any mods on the car?
Right now, I have a JLT air intake and Magnaflow Cat Back.
Okay.
As a beginner, I'll start up with off-road X-Pipe, smaller pulley, 65mm throttle body
Okay.
to start with. Then step by step, yeah, hopefully I'll bring in more, lot of options to do. It's a different feeling.
Wow.
I like that supercharger.
Yeah. I'm speechless. You know, like it's one of my dreams car. I own a Mustang, you know that.
Yeah, of course.
But it's only a V6.
Even I started up with a Mustang V6. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Which model did you own before?
2007 V6.
2007. Oh, okay. So the old style.
Yeah, the old style.
Did you face any problems with the car? Any issues?
Till now, touch wood, nothing.
Nothing, huh?
It's good. No mechanical issues, no electrical
Okay.
issues. Still, I had some minor accidents here and there. That's it.
Well, Sudhin, I don't know what to say, but the car is just perfection.
Yeah.
You know, it's very powerful, looks good, sounds good, and it's just perfect. I mean, like, thank you for coming today.
My pleasure.
And the fuel is almost finished.
Yeah, naturally.
We need to go to the petrol station, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it, and see you on the next one. Goodbye.